Hey guys, what's up? It's your Scentsy Star Director here, Angie Tallarico Dalton. Today's video is going to be all about my April charm crate, which is the cafe crate. My charm crate is my personal whiff box that I create every month for you guys with a new arrangement of products and fragrances. But before we dive in, if you're new here, I would love if you would subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll also have a Wickless weekly email newsletter that I create that goes out every Thursday and then some exciting days in between. Also, if you never want to miss a beat in the Scentsy world, please just text Wickless to this number right here and it will subscribe you to my Wickless Charm VIP text. Okay guys, that's it. Let's go ahead and dive on in. So yes, like I said, my charm crate is my personal whiff box that I make every month. I've been making this for some years now. I used to call it my whiff box. And then whenever Scentsy actually came out with their own whiff box, I started calling it my charm crate once I rebranded to Wickless Charm. So every month the box is $21 plus the postage fee. And I always have a new theme, a new arrangement of products and fragrances inside, sometimes samples, sometimes goodies, sometimes candy. I try to make it new and exciting every single month. So you can actually purchase these individually or you can purchase month by month. You can purchase these a year at a time. You can set up an automatic payment plan to where like it automatically invoices you and charges your card every month if you never want to miss out on a charm crate. But this is my cafe crate. So if you know me, you know I love coffee. I love coffee. So I kind of wanted to do something different and different for April, and I just wanted to use specific scents that I haven't used in a while, and I just wanted to get creative. So but don't worry, you don't have to actually like coffee. You don't have to be a coffee drinker to enjoy the cafe crate. It's gonna be good. So the order period is now open to order your cafe crate, your April charm crate. And if you would like to see a hint of what's inside, here are the scent descriptions of the Scentsy products that are going to be inside this crate. So the first one will be an inviting blend of vanilla beans, cinnamon, coconut, and cassia. And then the next one will be a delicious roasted coffee beans and cocoa balanced with sugar, caramel, and heavy cream. Next will be sea salt and whipped vanilla crash into sticky caramel for an elegant fusion of opposites. And next will be Plump raspberry is delightfully dusted with sugar and the sweetest hint of peppermint. So I'm really excited for this one. I'm really excited to actually get creative and make this whiff box for you guys. But yes, the order period is now open, and the deadline to order an April charm crate is March 31st, and I will be placing the order on April 1st, like first thing in the morning. So you need to get your orders in, get your payment in by the 31st, on the 31st. And I could do Venmo, PayPal, invoice, you name it. But I'm excited. I'm excited for this crate cafe. But if you would like an April charm crate, please fill out the Google form linked down in the description box, and I will reach out to you and we can finalize your order. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, don't watch me, join me, and have a great day.